Hi, Josh Barker with Josh Barker Real Estate, and thank you for checking out our market update for the month of December 2021. Like we like to do each month, let's go ahead and start off with the sales report for the multiple listing service. I'll circle this for you in red. Last month there was 255 closings in the month of November, and that's pretty close to what it was a year ago when you circle it at 259 properties. So you can see that our sales now are beginning to trend more towards a more normal, balanced market. The next slide I'll put over the top of it is our active listing report. Right now we have approximately 635 properties active for sale here in the local market. If you go back to about March of this year, we were sitting at roughly 465 properties for sale. So our inventory is trending up, which is a positive sign for home buyers that are shopping in the marketplace. And it's even a positive sign for a lot of sellers as well, because they're looking for other homes to purchase when they sell their home. That inventory is beginning to loosen up. So these are good signs to see. The next thing we're going to talk about is just overall buyer demand. Buyer demand has began to decline over the last roughly 6 months. To give you an example, March and April of this year, when a good decent property was coming up for sale and it was a popular one, it could have anywhere between 10 and 15 property or 10 to 15 different offers on that home. Today, that very similar type of property might only receive anywhere between 1 and 3 offers on the home. Now, the outcome is still the same for the seller. The house is still sold. But this is a pretty good indication that things are beginning to shift in buyer demand, and the days of testing the market are probably beginning to become unlimited. The next thing to look at is just home price appreciation. Home price appreciation in the market right now is beginning to taper off. We had over a 17% increase in the average sales pricing here in Shasta County in the last 12 months. So it's been significant, it's been impactful, and a lot of people have seen it. Because of that large run-up, we're beginning to start to see the appreciation start to taper off. And most of the experts are projecting that we're going to have just over a 5% appreciation in 2022. And you can see from the slide here that they're going to be trending down each year after that. So these are all speculations, they're all guesses really, but it's based on good information on headwinds and tailwinds. So something we'll have to see in the future. The next thing to look at is just mortgage interest rates. Mortgage interest rates right now currently are hovering around 3.25%. They're bouncing a little bit, meaning they're going up a little bit, 3.375, then back down to 3.25. But the long-term expectation on interest rates, according to the Federal Reserve, is rates are likely going to be trending up. They've already stated they plan to raise the rates 2 times in 2022. That could translate into a 0.5% increase in the average rate by the third quarter of 2022. So it will have an impact. And just keep in mind that for every 1% that the interest rate increases, it decreases a borrower's purchasing power by up to 10%. So we're going to have to watch to see how fast those rates actually move. So in any case, if you have any other questions regarding the real estate market here in Shasta County, just know we're always here to help. Happy holidays, and look forward to seeing you all guys after the new year.